Life in the modern world often feels like a frantic race on a financial treadmill. We work hard, earn a paycheck, and yet, for many, financial stability seems perpetually out of reach. The struggle is real, and millions are caught in a cycle of debt, living paycheck to paycheck. We're bombarded with advertising, enticing us to spend money we don't have on things we don't need. Credit cards offer a temporary illusion of prosperity, but the bills eventually come due. The pressure to keep up with the Joneses adds to the financial strain. Breaking free requires a shift in mindset and a commitment to financial responsibility. It's time to step off the treadmill and take control of our financial destiny. Let's embark on this journey together, one step at a time, towards a brighter financial future. The journey often begins with student loans, a significant burden for many young adults. Car loans, credit card debt, and mortgages further compound the problem. A significant portion of each paycheck is allocated to servicing debt, leaving little room for savings or investments. This financial strain can lead to stress, anxiety, and even depression. The constant worry about money can consume our thoughts, preventing us from living our lives to the fullest. Millions of people are facing similar challenges. By recognizing the weight of our financial obligations, we can begin to explore solutions and take control of our financial well-being. The first step to financial freedom is acknowledging the problem. Ignoring debt won't make it disappear. It's time to face your financial reality head-on. Gather all your financial statements. List out your income, expenses, debts, and assets. This might be scary, but it's essential. You can't fix what you don't acknowledge. Once you have a clear picture of your finances, you can start making a plan. This plan should include strategies for reducing spending, paying down debt, and building savings. By understanding your financial situation, you empower yourself to make positive changes. Minimalism, often associated with a simpler lifestyle, can be a powerful tool for achieving financial freedom. It's about focusing on what truly matters and letting go of the rest. By decluttering our homes and our lives, we can also declutter our finances. Minimalism encourages us to question our spending habits. Do we really need that new gadget, or are we simply trying to fill a void? Minimalism empowers us to break free from consumerism and its seductive grip on our wallets. The power of intentional spending is at the heart of minimalist finance. It's about making conscious choices about where our money goes. It's about asking ourselves, does this purchase align with my values and goals, before swiping our credit cards? This approach requires discipline and a willingness to challenge our ingrained spending habits. Every dollar we spend should be a conscious decision that moves us closer to our financial goals. Intentional spending isn't about deprivation, it's about aligning our spending with our values and creating a life we love, one intentional purchase at a time. We've all been there. The allure of a sale, the temptation of a new gadget, the desire to reward ourselves after a long day. Resisting the urge to splurge is crucial for long-term financial health. Before making any purchase, especially a significant one, take some time to consider its necessity. Delaying gratification and making mindful spending choices are key to building a solid financial foundation. Practical steps towards financial wellness. Start by tracking your spending. Use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or even a simple notebook. Knowing where your money goes is the first step to controlling it. Next, create a budget. Allocate your income to essential expenses, debt repayment, and savings goals. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account each month. This ensures you're consistently working towards your financial goals, even when life gets busy. Every dollar saved is a dollar earned and a step closer to financial freedom. Embracing long-term financial stability. Building long-term financial stability requires making tough decisions today. It means saying no to instant gratification to achieve lasting financial peace. Remember, financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. By staying focused on your goals, practicing discipline, and making informed choices, you can achieve the financial security you deserve. Let that vision motivate you to stay the course and make choices that align with your long-term financial well-being. Tools and resources for financial success. You don't have to navigate this journey alone. Countless resources are available to guide you on your path to financial freedom. Books like The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey and I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi offer practical advice. Numerous websites, podcasts, and financial blogs provide valuable insights and support. Seek out information, learn from experts, and connect with others on a similar journey. Investing in your financial education is an investment in your future. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Achieving financial freedom starts with a single step. It starts with a decision to take control of your finances and build a brighter future. Remember, you are capable of achieving your financial goals. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Start today. Make a budget, track your spending, and take control of your financial destiny. The power is in your hands.